Good morning, students. Today we will learn the new type of journal entries. How will we enter the cash discount and trade discount in any business transaction? Here is a question. Journalize the following transaction in the books of Mathur Brothers. In 2018 February 1 started business contributing 50,000 rupees in cash, 4,50,000 rupees in check and building value 20 lakh rupees. On February 5 purchased goods from Manohar Lal of the list price of rupees 50,000 for 46,000. On February 17, purchased goods costing 1 lakh from Sahil and Company, paid 60% immediately by check to avail 5% discount. And on 24 February, sold goods to Kishore and Company of the list price rupees 40,000 for 38,000. And the last entry is very important. On 26 February, sold to Kanika and Company goods costing 1 lakh rupees at 20% profit, allowing 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. Kanika and Company made 40% payment immediately by check. This is the most important entry. Now we will see how can we solve this. The first entry on February 1, cash account debit 50,000 rupees, bank account debit 4,50,000 rupees because he paid the amount by check, and the building 20 lakh rupees to capital. We will add all these transactions amount and it will enter in the capital to capital account 25 lakh rupees 25 lakh rupees. And on February 5, purchased goods from Manohar Lal of the list price 50,000 for 46,000. So we will write purchase account debit to Manohar Lal. We will not add account word in the name, so we will write to Manohar Lal and the amount will be 46,000. And on 17th February, purchased goods costing 1 lakh rupees, so we will write here purchase account debit 1 lakh. And from Sahil and Company 60% immediately paid by check to avail 5% discount, so we will write to bank 57,000 and to discount received 3,000. From where this 3,000 come, we will see the amount of goods purchased is 1 lakh and 60% he paid immediately. So we will calculate 60% of 1 lakh. The amount will come 60,000 rupees and 5% cash discount. So we will calculate 60,000 into 5 upon 100. The amount will come 3,000 rupees. So we will write here discount 3,000 rupees and it will be deducted from 60,000 rupees. So the amount will come for the bank 57,000 because 3,000 will be deducted. So the rest amount will be credit purchase and it will come by the name of Sahil and Company. So we will write here to Sahil and Company 40,000 rupees. Okay. And 24 February, sold goods to Kishore and Company of the list price 40,000 rupees for 38,000. So we will write here the amount 30,000 rupees. We does not mean any thing to list price. So we will write here Kishore and Company debit to sales account, and amount will be 38,000 rupees. The last most important entry, sold to Kanika and Company goods costing 1 lakh rupees and 20% profit. So we will calculate 20% on 1 lakh and we will add to find the selling price. The amount will come 1 lakh and 20,000. So the amount will be 1,20,000. After adding the profit in the amount, we will calculate the trade discount, and it will not be entered in any entry, but the amount will be reduced. So we will calculate 10% trade discount on the amount 1,20,000, and the amount will come 12,000, and this 12,000 will be deducted from 1,20,000 and the amount will come 1,08,000. After doing this, in the question you are seeing the 40% will be calculated, because this 40% is cash sale and rest 60% is credit sale. So we will calculate first cash sale. 40% of 1,08,000, the amount will come 43,200 rupees. 43 and 2,000 rupees will be the cash sale, and after doing this we will calculate the cash discount on this 43,200 rupees. The amount will come 2,160 rupees, and it will be deducted from 43,200 rupees, and the amount will come 41,040 rupees. This amount will be received, and the cash discount will be written as cash discount rupees 2,160 rupees, and the rest amount of 1,08,000 multiplied by 60 upon 100, it means 60% of 1,08,000. The amount will come 64,800. This will be the credit sale. So we will write here bank account debit 41,040 rupees, discount allowed account debit 2,160 rupees, and Kanika, this is the credit sale, Kanika and Company 64,800 rupees, two sales rupees 1,08,000 rupees. Now you can see the calculation. This is the calculation. 1 lakh cost of sale, the amount of the goods was 1 lakh, 20% we will find for the profit, and the amount of profit will be 20,000, and it will be added, the amount will come 1,20,000 less. After adding the profit, we will calculate the trade discount, and it will not be entered in any entry, but the amount will be reduced and will be shown. So we will calculate 1,20,000 into 10 upon 100, the amount will come 12,000 rupees, and it will be deducted from the cost of goods. That will be considered now 1,20,000, and the amount will come 1,08,000. After doing this, we will calculate cash sale and credit sale on the amount of 1,08,000. The amount will come 43,200 as cash sale, and 64,800 will be the credit sale, and cash discount will be allowed on cash sale. So on the cash sale, that is 43,200, we will calculate 5% on this amount, and the amount will come 2160. So we will less and the amount will come 41,040 rupees. In this way we will solve this question. Thank you for today.